Obesity is one of the major problems faced by many people globally. There are many techniques to reduce weight, including liposuction, artificial fat burners, etc. However, these techniques provide side effects. Apart from this, many people have already expressed their views to lose weight, but they are found to be difficult to implement. Is there no way to reduce fat naturally in a simple way? Let us discuss. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. If your weight is more than the ideal weight, up to 10 kgs, it is called overweight. If it goes beyond that, it is called obesity. Today, more than 38% of the world's population is overweight and 13% of the population is obese. So, how to reduce fat? Today, in this computer age, most of us are employed in less physically strained jobs. Of course, our mental stress and strain are doubled, isn't it? On the top, we are habituated to eating junk foods, a wide variety of foods deep fried in oil and other unhealthy foods that are rich in carbohydrates. Needless to say, these foods do not have any minerals or vitamins and hence are responsible for overweight and obesity. The following diet solutions will definitely help to lose weight or reduce fat or even reduce belly fat, etc. Up to 10 kg of weight loss is assured in a month if you strictly follow the diet solutions. Here is the weight loss diet for breakfast. We are accustomed to eat breakfast which is deeply fried. These breakfasts contain no proteins, no nutrients and are full of carbohydrates. People think that breakfasts like idli and dosa are good for health as they are easily digested. But the fact is that they are also prone to increased fat levels as they are made up of rice flour. So eliminating these breakfasts is a must to prevent obesity or to lose weight. Also, avoiding beverages including coffee, tea and milk will produce the best results. Alternatively, consuming vegetable juices including carrot, beetroot and maggot early in the morning will have great health benefits. They provide only about 90 to 100 calories maximum when consumed 250 ml of juice. They help in increasing nutrient and resistant levels. They eliminate bad cholesterol, maintain thin blood volume. They help to maintain a defense mechanism for avoiding blood clotting. Again, a good quantity of overnight soaked sprouts is the best option for breakfast as these contain maximum proteins with very few calories. This is even more than the white of an egg. These sprouts can be taken after 1 hour of consuming vegetable juice. Next is the weight loss diet for lunch. We are consuming more quantity of rice with less quantity of curry or dal. This is especially with South Indians. In other words, we are consuming more calories in the form of rice, which is a major mistake. Completely eliminating rice and other foods with rich carbohydrates will be the best. Alternatively, you can consume pulka made by wheat flour or with multigrain flour in the place of rice. Similarly, a large quantity of curry should be consumed along with pulka or jowar rotis. Up to 500 grams of any vegetable curry for 2 to 3 pulkas will be ideal. Strictly avoid all kinds of deep fried curries and non-vegetarian food. Again, salt is another component that not only increases the blood pressure in the human body but also acts as a catalyst for gaining weight. About 80 grams of water will be stored in the human body for every 1 gram of salt consumed and in turn helps in increasing weight. Hence, consuming a little quantity of salt in the food is recommended. Eliminating completely will be ideal. Next is weight loss for dinner. When it comes to dinner, Consuming food early before 6 pm will be the best solution to lose weight or to reduce fat. This is because very few calories will be burnt in sleep, and when you eat late at night, all the leftover calories will be accumulated as belly fat by the next day. In contrast, there will be a high level of chances to get all the calories burnt before going to sleep itself when the food is consumed by 6 pm. Also, if in the case then the body needs calories, already accumulated fat in various parts of the body will serve the purpose. In this way, there is a chance for burning the pre-accumulated fat as well. It is highly recommended to have only 2 to 3 varieties of seasonal fruits for dinner to reduce fat fast. At the bottom line, the discussed weight loss diets for breakfast, lunch and dinner are the best for weight loss. Also, other factors including daily workouts, good sleep and keeping sufficiently hydrated will also help to reduce weight and to keep more immune. With all these implementing perfectly, you can definitely find a visible difference in your weight within a month. For more information on the topic, please visit the website naturalcosmos.com. I am leaving the URL in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such interesting topics. It boosts interest for me to research more on the topics. Also, click on the bell icon so that you will get immediate notifications after my video uploads. Don't forget to give your views, comments, thoughts, perspectives in the comment section below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.